This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef dumplings at home easy method. Start by preparing the filling. Mix ground beef, finely chopped cabbage, green onion, soy sauce, sesame oil, grated ginger, and a pinch of salt until evenly combined. Keep the filling chilled while you prepare wrappers or store-bought skins. I will guide you through folding techniques, cooking options, and quick tips for crisp bottoms or delicate boiled dumplings. When making the beef dumpling filling, keep ingredients cold to help the mixture bind and stay firm when wrapping. Measure roughly a 3:1 ratio of ground beef to vegetables for consistent texture and flavor. Mix seasonings gradually and taste a small cooked sample before finishing the whole batch. I will show how small tweaks like adding a splash of rice vinegar or a squeeze of lemon can brighten the filling without overpowering it. For wrapping, place a spoonful of filling in the center of each wrapper and fold using pleats or a simple half-moon seal, removing excess air. For pan fry, brown bottoms in oil, then add water and cover to steam until cooked through for a crispy bottom result. If boiling, add dumplings to simmering water and cook until they float and firm up. I will demo timing and how to avoid soggy or undercooked centers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.